Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. Let's get straight into it. I start off with this NYX Ultimate Edits palette. I got this one around Christmas. I did a haul on this already, but I did not do a test on it. And the colors in here are really pretty. So we're gonna start off with this brown shade right here, and I'm just adding that to the outer corner, building that color up by stamping it into place. And you can do this until you're satisfied with how the colors show up. It's showing up pretty good. So instead of saying a no makeup look, I'm just gonna say a natural look or an everyday look. There we go. And I'm just blending out the edges so that they're not harsh. I'm gonna add a little towards the front, but not too much. Not all the way down, just right here at the halfway mark. Okay, and once you have that, you can go in with either one of these colors. I think I want to do this one for my transition color and to help blend out that color even further. So I'm gonna go directly on top of that brown as well as a little bit above. And just lightly blend that out. For this color, I'm going all the way in the front. And blending it. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can go back in with that brown. I'm gonna go back in just a little bit to build that outer corner up. Go back in with that reddish shade without adding anything else to the brush and blend out the edges a little more. Now you can leave this part right here because it's already some concealer on it, or you can go in with some more concealer. For me, I'm going to leave it just like that, and I'm gonna go in with this tan color right here. And I'm gonna build that color up. I like to add a little bit of color above my natural crease so that it'll show through a lot better versus just leaving it on the lid. What you do however you like for your shadows to show up. Okay. And you see this little harsh line right here. To get rid of that, I'm gonna go in with this brownish pinkish shade, but kind of like a mauve color, to fade those two colors together to kind of get rid of that harsh line. Just like that. Now you can leave it like that, or you can add glitter, but since this is like an everyday look, I'm gonna leave it like that. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, and then I'll come back. But yeah, so this is a cute everyday look. You don't need much to get this. Even if you don't have a brown eyeshadow, if you have a brown bronzer, go for it.